What is good, everybody, and welcome back to the channel. Today we have a video that I did not think was gonna come this quick. Today we are unboxing a 1 million subscriber mystery box full of about $6,000 to $7,000 worth of stuff. If that doesn't make sense to you, what this means is this mystery box right here, every single item in it is a giveaway item. And that is because we are so close to 1 million subscribers. At this point of filming, we're at 995,000 subscribers and we are about 5,000 away. I'm at a rate of about 2,000 a day. So by the time I post this video, I'll probably be about 2,000 to 3,000 away. So I wanted to go ahead and finally announce this massive giveaway. Now this includes hype sneakers, Off-White, Yeezys, cash. There's gonna be $1,000 cash in here. So we're gonna explain all those rules here in a second once we start opening. Can't tell we are in the new studio right here if you haven't watched the video because I have not done a mystery box video in a while, but whatnot, kick off million subscribers with mystery box. So this mystery box is from Laced Up. If you guys don't know Laced Up, essentially I've done so many mystery boxes with them. They started doing mystery boxes when I had like 100,000 subscribers. And I thought, what not better of a place to team up with for my 1 million subscriber giveaway. So we're gonna go over the details when we start opening like I said, but thank you to Laced Up and thank you guys for 100,000 subscribers. And this is all to give back to you guys. I just said 100,000 subscribers for 1 million subscribers. Hitting 100,000 subscribers to me was far-fetched. This is the plaque I received when I hit 100K, and they don't even make these anymore. It's a totally new version, and now I'm about to hit 1 million, which is so crazy. Now there's gonna be incentives to this giveaway, and there's gonna be ways for you guys to win even more. So there's gonna be about 10 to 15 winners. You guys will find out here in a second. Without further ado, for the last time before 1 million subscribers, we're opening a mystery box. Let's see what they got. I don't even know what's in here. I told them to put in some hype, put in some good stuff, all for a giveaway. Ooh, and I'm already seeing some nice little some orange on top. So we have, it looks like a hoodie on top. Yep, this is a Laced Up hoodie. We're gonna be picking so many winners that you can win something like this, or you can win something huge like an Off-White. Man, this is a lot bigger than I thought. You guys are about to get some heat. Now, I'm gonna open up a bag of stuff and then we're gonna get into how to enter this giveaway before you see everything else. So, first up, Laced Up always packaging it nice. We have a North Face Supreme. I honestly want this for wintertime, but you guys get it. Size XL, that's my size. Ugh, they had this one at about 250 bucks. Check that out. Supreme TNF hoodie right there. And then we have a pair of Off-White Mercurials in a size 9, the Zoom Flies. Pull these out. They hit these at 350. Nice little black pair right there. Comes with the dust bag and everything. These are a fire running shoe. I actually have a pair of these that are running shoe, not Off-Whites, but these are really cool shoes. So I'm gonna fill up the little sneaker shelf over here with these items as I go, just so you guys can see what's gonna be given away. We'll go a little bit farther with it, pull out a few more things. Next up, we have a Supreme Motion logo. This is the first Supreme t-shirt I actually ever got, which was a gray Motion logo. Way back, the first mystery box I ever did. Got a size medium. This is going for $800. This is an old one. This is from like, I can't remember what year it's from. This is an early one though. This is a dope hoodie. 800 bucks. That is insane. I'm just hyped that so many people get to win because usually with these giveaways, only one person wins. And this is just so many endless opportunities. Now, before we show you the rest of what's in here, you can see some Yeezys, some Adidas. Of course, we're gonna give away everything in the box, but I wanna give you guys a chance to win $1,000 cash on top of everything in the mystery box. We're gonna have about 20 winners for this, but for one person win $1,000. If we can reach 1 million subscribers by tonight, Thursday, January 30th at midnight, essentially 11:59 tonight, I will give away $1,000 cash to one person. So tell your mom, tell your brother, we'll probably be like 1,500 away by the time I post this video, so about 8 hours to 1,500. I think we can do it. If not, there's still this huge giveaway, and I'm gonna give you guys another chance to win $1,000 too. So, and then the rules for this giveaway are very simple. All you have to do is to 1, subscribe to the channel. 2, you have to follow me on Instagram. 3, you have to go ahead and subscribe to Laced Up's YouTube. Follow Laced Up on Instagram as well. And then number 5, make sure you get this right, is you have to leave a comment on this video with your Instagram handle, and we'll be picking the winner on February 9th. That is 10 days from now, we'll be picking a winner. Obviously, if we pass 1 million subscribers, you can still enter. I'm only gonna be picking 1 entry per person, so don't try to do it multiple times. Anything in this box, any Yeezy, any Off-White, 1 item per person, and I'm very excited for you guys to see that because that's gonna be a long process. There's gonna be a lot of winners. Now, I wanna give one more chance to win some cash. The last chance. If you guys want another $1,000, that's $2,000 total, 1,000 per person, 2 winners. This one's gonna be a little bit harder because I just wanna push a little bit. If I can get to 300,000 followers on Instagram before this coming Sunday, how about before I pick the winners, I'll go ahead and give away an extra $1,000. That's a lot. I need about 30,000 more followers, so that's a lot, but I just want to throw that out there. If you guys know anybody, if you watch and don't subscribe and you would like $1,000, maybe go ahead and do that. Those are the main rules right there. We're gonna continue opening these up so you guys can see everything going on and everything that you're gonna win, and I'm excited to see what you guys are getting too. So next up, we have a pair of Adidas. These are probably some Calabasas, I assume. Yeezy Power Face Calabasas size 11.5 in gray. I wear my white ones all the time. This is such an easy everyday shoe. Had these at 180 bucks. Like literally, this is like the perfect everyday shoe. Throwing some Adidas sweats, can't go wrong. Let's keep moving and see what we have. Feels like we got a lot of shoes in here. Let's see. We have, oh, I'm curious what this is. This is probably the most heat out of the box, I'd assume. We have, oh, dang. We have a pair of off-white Converse, what size? And a size men's 6.5, bruh. These have to be so expensive. That is a $750 used pair. That's base size. Those are sick. Men's 6.5, women's 8.5. Check those out. This is one of my favorite off-white Nikes. Honestly, I love the Converse. It comes with OG all too, all the laces. Do not miss out on this giveaway. Whoever wins these, that's a W. Next up, let's see some sort of t-shirt. We have a Supreme. This is like the Money S, whatever, Diamond ST right there. 140 bucks, size large. These are like the S's that you used to draw in elementary school. Some of you guys will know. I don't know if it's still a thing now. And let's keep moving, and we have a Supreme backpack right there. Back to school, need a new backpack, height backpack. Perfect, 200 bucks. This is crazy, unboxing this and it being all for you. Like, I'm not keeping anything. I'm so glad I get to get back so much. And if you win, please send me pictures. Tweet me pictures, Instagram me pictures of the stuff that you get, because I want to show people that you guys are getting it. So make sure you stay on top of that. Let's see what we got. Next up is a Bape hoodie. We got an XL Bape hoodie. Looks like the shark logo. 450 bucks in olive. Dang. It's actually just like a hoodie with a Bape head on top. Really dope. Nice little green hoodie there. See, guys, we have 2 more shoes and a bunch of accessories. Look at a bunch of tees. Next up is a pair of Bape shorts right here. Just a nice pair of gray Bape shorts. Very simple. I'm sure on the inside it has something. Yep, you can see right. Dang, these are clean actually. Moving, we have, oh my, this is gas. This is a Damien Hirst Supreme box logo. Look how insane that is. 850 bucks. That is crazy. This, dang, man, this is on my keep, bro. I'm jealous, man. Golly, all right. But it's your guys, not mine, not mine. Can't be selfish. Next up, we got a nice Bape tee. Let's go. Bape XXV tee. Clean little tee, probably worth about 80 to 100 bucks. What else do we got? We have Supreme TNF t-shirt. Another really good one at $250. Let's see. Well, guys, there's so much stuff. Let's go for a shoe. This has no box, but it is a pair. The Dave White Jordan 1s. These are like a crazy Jordan 1. Look at that. Oh, they're dead stock too. Check how crazy those are. Wings for the Future, size 10 medium, 550 bucks. No box, but that's a crazy shoe. Look like the fade from black to white and red. Bonus mystery hype item. Wrote that on there. I wonder what this is. We have a bonus ape. Ooh, what is it? An ape backpack. There we go. It says ape on the front. Nice little bonus item. Shout out Lace Up for throwing that in. And it looks, dang, it's got so much stuff. There's just a bag of stuff. I think I know what this is. Yep, this is a bunch of like AirPod cases and shoelaces, like off-white shoelaces, AirPod cases. I'm gonna be throwing these into random orders. Maybe like if you have a pair of AirPods, put it in your comment down below. Get in there if you guys win. And then let's see, it looks like we have, it feels like a Bape tumbler. Nice little Bape tumbler there. I actually use mine all the time to drink water and coffee. Then we have Antisocial Social Club tee. This is the club tee in white medium. I'm gonna keep this one dead stock, not gonna open it up. I assume on the back it just says Antisocial Social Club. Then we have another Supreme, 2 Supreme TNF. We have like the reflective TNF on the front, large dead stock, and then we have the one with the hiker on it. Check that out. 2 more. There's a lot of Supreme TNF in here. And lastly, a pair of Yeezys. A nice little selection here. Yeezy 350 V2 Citron, I believe. Reflective Citron is 6.5. Gee, look at that. That's crazy. Another little 6.5 base size. 450 bucks they had these at. Let's check out that reflective. I don't know if you can see it. It might be reflective, maybe not. I don't know. But let's go ahead and count up all the items, see how many items there are for you guys to win. Before we get back into this, I want to show you guys something really quick for 1 million subscribers with my car channel. All right, guys, if you didn't know that I started a car channel, it is called Whipped. You can see I've got my 2 vehicles right here. I actually just recently bought this Ford Raptor right here. You can see my little hint, it is wrapped, and there's a video coming on that tomorrow. For 2020, I'm pushing a lot more car content out, so if you guys like that kind of thing, go ahead and subscribe to that channel because we've got the nice little fleet, their little garage. I just wanted to shout out the channel. Here's some of the content that you can expect from that second channel. It's a little bit of footage from videos that have already come out, so let's check that real quick. Alright guys, here we are. We have the new utility vehicle to add to the, to the collection. I have my one other car, but we need something that we can take care of when the R8 is not going to be in the rain or the snow, and that's what we have here. This thing can haul the R8. This thing can do probably anything that I needed to do, so I'm very excited. I've always loved the Raptor. If you guys don't know, my first car was an F-150, 2-wheel drive. Couldn't do much in it, but this thing can handle anything that's gonna be thrown at it. So I've always loved the Raptor, especially from the first day that, you know, I got my F-150. So this is crazy. I did not think at the beginning of the year that I would end the year with an R8 and a Raptor. It's kind of crazy. So we'll check in once we start heading home. That's the second channel right there. If you guys want to subscribe, go ahead and subscribe in the description down below. Go ahead and jump back and get into the rest of this mystery box unboxing and see what you guys can win. So there are 20 winners that are gonna be picked. That is insane. So hopefully next Sunday I'm gonna be posting a video, and in that video there will be at the end all the winners. Now this is gonna be completely random. It's gonna be based off this website, Random Comment Picker. I use it all the time. Basically what I'll probably do is whoever responds first will get to pick. So I'll basically send you a list of what's left. You can pick what you want, and from there you'll get that item. Like for instance, if you want these, you can just sell them and get 300 bucks. Like, it doesn't matter to me. But thank you guys for 1 million subscribers. Like, this number is seriously, like, it's so large, and I've literally always dreamed of 1 million subscribers. I was like, when I hit 1 million subscribers, that means I've done something on YouTube. Like, I've done enough to like prove myself in the space. So I'm very excited about that. It's insane. It's crazy. Like, I think about some of the big YouTubers I watch, and I'm like not that far from them, and it's crazy because I'm a kid who likes YouTube, and I started doing it because I enjoy sneakers and stuff like that. So thank you guys for watching and supporting over the years. Like, look at my face in this first video that I put up. Like, I look like I'm 10 years old. Thank you again for 1 million subscribers, and this is all to get back to you guys. And again, all the prizes will be listed in the description so you can see what is up for grabs. And good luck to you guys. Tell your friends, tell your mom, tell your brother. Have them enter the giveaway because it's just a chance to win something for free. You don't have to do anything but comment on the video. So thank you guys so much for watching. And my last time before 1 million subscribers, this is Harrison signing out. What's going on, guys? My name is Harrison Evo, and today we're looking at my top 5 layering outfits for fall and winter season. What's good, everybody, and welcome back to the channel. What's going on, guys? I'm here with my grandfather, Pinky. What is good, everybody, and welcome back to the channel. Yo, what is good, everybody? What is good, everybody? What is good, everybody, and welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the channel, and welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we have a different and very exciting type of video. Today, I'm going over cheap alternatives to dress like Justin Bieber. We have a video I never thought I would make. I never thought that it would get to this point. I had to go ahead and go on eBay and buy a $100 men's fashion mystery box. A $500 mystery box from eBay to a $650 laced up box. $1,000 versus $1,000 mystery box from laced up. One's from eBay, one's from laced up. A $50 mystery box for subscribers, a $3,000 mystery box, $3,000 mystery box, $10,000 Hype Beast mystery box. This is a $12,500 mystery box, a $20,000 sneaker mystery box. That is $25,000. Every time we do these, we say, let's go ahead, see if somebody can one up the last one. I'm kind of blown away right now. So we're gonna open this up. This is freshly sealed. Junk in here. Oh gosh, look at this. I don't even care. So, pretty penny there, but look at this. Let's see if the box, they got it. Okay, see with them, it's all a surprise. This one gives me hopes because you never know. Forever 21 could be a good thing, or this could just be a bag, everything's in. Okay. The heck? Or what are we looking like? Honestly, in here just for fun. She's hanging out here right now. Got Sophie on the camera. What do you guys think? I'm not gonna look, I just felt the shoe that was out of the box. I kind of just got a peek at. Move these. How is it? Is it looking good? I've been doing YouTube. So I've been doing YouTube since about 2009 or 2008 channel. So I've had a bunch of kind of failure on YouTube, I guess. I've just tried and tried again and never really succeeded. And this is the first time I've actually had a really genuine audience and a great viewership. So I really feel like I can stick with this. I've only got 5,000 subscribers, but that's a lot for me. Right now, I think we're at 58 or 59,000 subscribers, which was never even in my mind to reaching. One of my goals I'm writing down for the year that I want to let you guys in on is that I want to make YouTube full time, and that's possible. What's up? Out here at SneakerCon Cleveland. What's up, bro? Any shout-outs? Hey, what's up? You guys got any shout-outs? You guys can guess where I'm at right now. What can you see in the background? We're in the motherfucking cloud house right now. I mean, yes. How did I lose that quick? This game is rigged against me. Oh, you got it. Oh, there we go. So now you get to pick any shoe. That's 4. And Jared Cook right here. If you guys don't know who this is, he is in the NFL. Wow. What? Oh man! Hey. One person. I just don't think there will be. No big deal if not. If got tents out here. If they do come, I'm gonna disqualify myself, and I'm going to Venmo you your winnings right now. $1,000. I was telling them that you need to show love to the people who work hard around you, and I just wanted to give you a little. This whole video was just to give you. I wanted to do the video, but are you gonna pull some? I can give you a nice little $1,000 little bonus, and send me the 1,000 back. You can have my shoe. I'll do the other one. Today I'm here with my girlfriend Sophie. You guys might have seen her on my Instagram, but this is the first time she's making an appearance on the channel. 5 out of 5.
The heater's up, guys. There it is.
Put it up to yourself. Gonna check the price.
Probably.
It's going to be the journey of the engagement that just happened. She has a ring on. You guys saw by the thumbnail. It's cost as much as a car.
What kind of car are you buying?
For $2,000, you can get a car probably.
Oh my gosh, you're so...
House I've ever wanted. Let's go.
Okay. Say hi. Yeah. It's Mama Nev.
Oh, wait.
Hey, you guys see him? You know her. Have you seen Harper? Harper's been on one. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like down below, and if you're new here, subscribe. I post videos every Sunday. It's Harrison signing out.